welcome to CodeSpeak Labs. My name is Lorena, and today I will be teaching you guys how to edit a video on iMovie. iMovie is an app that YouTubers use to edit their videos and then upload them to YouTube. And so this app can only be used on Apple products. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get to it. Okay, so you're going to go to your Apple device and you're going to click iMovies, and it's just this purple icon. The background is purple, and then there's a white star with a purple camera, and you're going to press on it, and something like this should pop up, and you are going to click on create project, and you're going to create movie, and you're just gonna choose just like random pictures. So I'm just gonna choose ones of my dog. So just create movie and let it load. Okay, so then this is just like the video itself, like the pictures, right? So these like two triangles pointing toward each other, that's like the transition. So you can choose, as you can see here, like in the bottom when you click on it, it shows either no transition, theme, dissolve, slide, swipe, wipe, or fade. And you can just play with those. So I think I'm just gonna stay with that one, and then the other one I'm just gonna put fade. So let's just play that and just see how they work. So that one's dissolve, and that one's fade. Okay, so let's just go back, and then right here in the top right left corner there's a plus sign, so you click on it and then this should pop out, and you can choose from videos, photos. Like this is another way that you can add a video or another picture if you want to. So let's just add a video real quick. Oh, um, let's see, where are they? Oh, so like I said, I'm just doing some of my dog. Let me see, where's the line of him? I think. Okay, I'm gonna go to this one. So we're just gonna play add, and then let's just start from the beginning. Okay, so once you click on it, like this is so long, so we're just gonna cut it down. So once you click on that part on the video, like it should be surrounded by yellow outline, and you can click on the ends or the beginning and shorten it. So let's just shorten it like that. And then you can also move, like if you want to move the video or a picture, just click on it and then it should like pop up, I guess you can say. And then you can just move it. So let's just put it at the end. So then let's just click, and then let's just try another transition. And then you can also add audio. So you're gonna click on audio, and then so there's soundtracks, which I think like say you're like, I'm using my phone, so then like the phone already has these, so you can just use one of these. So let's just use that one, and then so that's just gonna go under like the picture. So let's just look at it real quick. Oh, and then like you can also click on the picture, and so these little icons at the bottom are going to pop up. And the scissor one is to like trim. Um, the timer is just like how fast you want it to go. So let's just put a little bit of speed just so you guys are able to see. And then this, like, either like how like loud the volume of the video you want it to be, but since I'm putting in some like background music, I don't want any. And then you can also add text, and you can choose from these different styles. And then these you can add a filter, but let's just add a filter to just the videos. Actually, no, let's just add one to that one. So let's just add that one. So then yeah. And then text, just so you guys are able to see. Let's just add something random. So you can use these different ones. Let's just do reveal. And then the text is that should show up title text here. And you click down where it says two A's, and you can choose from the different fonts. So I'm just gonna choose a random one. Let's just choose that one. And then you can also choose the color. Let's just choose like that one. Spectrum. I'm actually okay, no, yeah, let's just keep it like that. And then this, I'm not really sure what this. Oh, okay, yeah. As you can see, like you can see how like so yeah, like the more you move it, the more. I mean, the different colors that show up. You know what I mean? So that's it for today. Today we learned how to trim clips. We also learned how to insert audio and music and work with transitions and insert titles on the screen. Now feel free to use these tips and create your own YouTube video. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.